Hello friends, welcome to Datta's Kitchen. Today I am showing how to make tandoori chicken without oven and even without harmful chili powder. But the taste will be wonderful and it's easy to digest. Ingredients: chicken 600 grams, 1 onion, 2 garlics, 15 grams of ginger. Make a paste together. Lemon, black pepper powder, salt, sour yogurt 50 grams, butter 25 grams, soybean oil 1 tablespoon, make a few gashes or deep cuts in every pieces. Add lemon juice, add salt to taste and mix well with the chicken. Add black pepper powder and mix sour yogurt, now add the paste of garlics, onions and ginger. Mix them well with the chicken. Try to fill the gashes with the spices. Leave the chicken to marinate for 30 minutes. Heat a frying pan and place a spoon of soybean oil. Add a spoon of salt to butter and mix well. Now add butter to the pan. Place the marinated chicken pieces in the frying pan and cook them for 5 minutes at the low heat. After 5 minutes, cook another side of the pieces for 5 minutes and do this process repeatedly after every 1 minute for about 20 minutes. Press the pieces for well roasting. Try to put butter to the gashes. Cook well all sides of the pieces. Now remove the tandoori chicken from the frying pan and taste the delicious tandoori chicken. Thank you for watching.